You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, the name of these Scottish and Irish folklore creatures, from Gaelic or Gaelic, essentially, mythology. If you want to learn more names from mythology, stay tuned. The pronunciation is as Selkie, okay? Sel, and then key. That's a mythological creature that can transform from a seal to a human by shedding its skin. That's the meaning. The Selkie or a Selkie. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.